Hi everyone, my name is Jared Westover and welcome to my course, Implementing SSRS Report Layouts. I'm a SQL architect and a Microsoft certified solutions expert in data management and analytics. Most importantly, I love working with data. Companies now more than ever are realizing how vital data is to their long-term success. Being able to store data efficiently is great, but it's only half the picture. Presenting the same data to consumers and allowing them to take action is key. Creating professional report layouts will let you stand out from other report developers who've only skimmed the surface. This course is an introduction and exploration into creating exceptional report layouts in SSRS. Having knowledge of SQL Server and prior experience with creating SSRS reports will be helpful as you go through this course. Some of the major topics that we will cover include how a great report should tell a story about the data, how to properly implement headers and footers, collaborating with team members using report parts, and considerations when designing for multiple file formats. By the end of this course, you will have a solid foundation to start creating and optimizing SSRS report layouts. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn SSRS report layouts with the Implementing SSRS Report Layouts course at Pluralsight.